morning.
Well, good morning, sunshine.
Wow, you're cooking.
Yes, I'm cooking for my awesome best friend and my amazing husband, Omelette.
That's me.
You want to help me with this?
Wine grand?
Yes, 3 please. So, Ollie, I know you can be ruthless with your competitors, but I know you can be the sweetest guy, especially to people that you love. Alam mo na kung saan ako pupunta. Ano nangyari?
Alam ko nagtataka kung bakit ako hiniwalayan ni Agnes.
Yes. Hindi mo sasabihin sa akin? Wow, hindi mo sasabihin sa akin ang best friend mo. Wala ka bang tiwala sa akin after all these years? I taught you how to talk. Hindi mo talaga sasabihin sa akin. Wala kang tiwala sa sarili mong best friend?
Alam mo na hindi ka lang best friend sa akin. You know everything about me. You know my deepest, darkest secrets. Hindi nga alam ni Agnes na hindi ako yung tunay na anak nila Mami at Daddy.
Pinagbawalan ka ba ni Tito at Tita? Kaya siya nakipaghiwalay sa'yo?
Look, if you know everything about me, at alam mo na sasabihin ko lahat sa'yo, it's easy for you to understand. It should be easy for you to understand na hindi lang ang dahilan ko ayokong sabihin sa'yo. I can't say it now because I'm just not ready. I just wish you can respect that for now.
Sorry na. Sorry talaga, Ollie.
Hey. Ano statute ng limitation for murder dito sa Pilipinas?
20 years?
Hindi ka na pwede magbukas ng isang murder case after 20 years?
Well, according to Article 90 of the Revised Penal Code, crimes punishable by reclusion perpetua or reclusion temporal are prescribed 20 years. At kasali na doon ang murder. So, yeah, 20 years. Why? Hi, baby. Good morning.
Omelette ba yan?
Yeah?
Alam ng asawa ko ano gusto ko for breakfast. Mwah! Hello din sa'yo, Oliver.
Ollie, nakwento ko na ba sa'yo na mahal na ako ng asawa ko? And bubuo na kami ng pamilya. We're trying to have a baby.
Yeah, hindi niya pa alam.
Hindi
Ngayon
pa.
lang.
Magkakapamangkin ka na.
That's sweet.
Musta si Governor Valderrama? You think he's gonna win?
Yeah, definitely. Sure ball na yun. Ano naman? Sigaw pa.
Wow. He's that good, huh? You guys think that he's gonna win?
Well, hindi naman iuunlad ang Milagros kung di dahil sa kanya. I mean, there was even one point na from his own pocket, binigyan niya ng pera yung mga kababayan.
Namimigay siya ng pera? Paano niya nababawi yun? Wait,
Is he corrupt? Well, depende, Oliver, kung ano ibig mo sabihin sa corrupt. Kasi syempre sa position na yun, hindi mo maiiwasan na may mga magbibigyan ng mga regalo sa'yo. Eh syempre may mga contractors ka rin at mga negosyante na pinapaboran mo. Aminado naman si Gov na pinapaboran niya talagang Velasco Corporation.
But so far, so good. Kasi wala naman nagagara pala mga kumpanya and wala naman mga projects, streets or highways na hindi natutupad o natatapos. Sorry. So I think everything's turning out okay.
but he's gotta have a dark side, right? I mean, he's only human.
A dark side? Actually, pero hindi ko alam kung pwede mong tawagin dark side eh. Siyempre, as a leader, I think kailangan mo talaga eh. Si Gov kasi may issue sa power at control.
Power at control.
Yeah, yung tipong kailangan masunod yung gusto niya or else. Parang ganun. Pero on the other side, parang kailangan niya rin maging ganun eh. Dahil kung hindi, baka maging anarchy naman. Mawawala ng stability. Hindi rin magkakaroon ng prosperity. So, I guess okay lang na ganun siya.
Ollie, if this is about you investing in the company, like I said before, I think it's a good idea. Ollie?
You think?
I think it's a good idea.